The scenic back roads running through our forest were built by loggers' sweat, blood, and tears. Hard rock didn't scare 'em, they could bore right through 'em out. It's a road inspector every logger fears. Let's drink a toast to all the road inspectors. Let's raise our glasses high and wish 'em health. They hold the future of each logger in the palm of their hand, the difference between bankruptcy and wealth. Just when a logger thinks his road is finished, a road inspector comes upon the scene, digging test holes in the gravel, measuring every turnout, snarling, snapping, growling, being mean. The logger'd like to grab his neck and choke him, but he keeps his cool and knows he'd better smile. If he'd do just what he'd like to do and poke him, he'd rebuild that whole darn road every mile. Let's drink a toast to all the road inspectors. Let's raise our glasses high and wish them health. They hold the future of each logger in the palm of their hand, the difference between bankruptcy and wealth. Just when things is running kind of smooth and I'm picking up a little slack, and my bank account's almost out of the red, edging over into the black, and once in a while I'm even wearing a smile instead of just a constant frown. The weather's holding good and we're moving the wood. Well, that's when something breaks down. That's when something breaks down. After 2 good months, I made a down payment on a brand new pickup and car. And that big new boat, I don't know if it'll float, 'cause time will only stretch so far. I got a brand new camper, a brand new rifle, 'cause hunting season's coming around. And big dumb me, I should be able to see that something is sure to break down. Something is sure to break down. Well, that's when I feel like bunching this outfit and just up and walking away. Quit jippo logging, get me a job, at least I'll be drawing some pay. But I can't quit now, I'm in too deep, I owe everybody in town. And it's a race to see if my equipment or me is the first to completely break down. I promised my kid I'd buy him a car, he'd just stay in school. And my wife talked me into getting all new furniture now.